So I've seen this IEM's name floating around in my comments for a while now. Kefine Klean. Yeah, clean spelled with a K. Even though I haven't used this before, it turned out to be a surprisingly familiar experience. I'll tell you why. I like this metallic build that it has. It makes it feel robust and premium even though it's fairly affordable. You also get a hard shell carrying case with a decent quality cable. It's actually better than I was expecting in this price. Kind of reminds me of SimGot's cables. Because of their metallic build, the IEMs are a little bit heavier. I thought it might affect the comfort, but no. They fit perfectly fine. They are one of the most comfortable IEMs I've used. Sound-wise, things get interesting. Here's why I said they sound very familiar. You see, I recently tried out the EPZ Q5 Pro, I still have it, and at first I was like, wait, these sound remarkably same, especially in the mids and lows. Am I tripping? Well, no, turns out I wasn't tripping. They are identical in the bass and mid-range regions, and the only variations are in the upper mid-range and treble. The Kefine Klean has a much sharper increase in the upper mid-range, as you can see, compared to the Q5 Pro. That makes the vocals feel a lot more present and surprisingly sibilant in some cases. You know, the S and C sounds kind of sound a little bit sharp to my ears. But then again, I am treble sensitive, I'm just saying. Some people love that sharpness, so maybe your experience will be different. I'm not saying these are bad, these are a little bit sharper than I thought. But once I got used to them, they were amazing. I loved listening to these because I already liked the Q5 Pro, which has a similar sound signature. So these are essentially the Q5 Pro's sound with slightly sharper or more present upper mid-range and a more premium body. The Kefine Klean also comes with interchangeable nozzles to tune your sound a little bit. We've seen this before in IEMs like SimGot EW300, but that is more expensive than this, so it's a little bit surprising to see it in this price. And yes, these nozzles make a subtle difference to the sound, especially in the upper mid-range and treble region. If you like a stronger mid-range, use the black one, and if you want slightly more bass with a smoother mid-range, use the silver one. Price-wise, they are remarkably similar. They are basically neck and neck. So in short, if you wanted the Q5 Pro but with a little bit extra upper mid-range, then this is it. The cables are better and the build quality is nicer too, so it's kind of an upgrade in that area. The Q5 Pro isn't bad at all. I still love it, but the Kefine Klean is, well, cleaner. Sorry, I won't make that joke again. Seriously, it's a nice IEM. The stereo separation is great, fantastic bass, really good imaging with a hint of sibilance in the vocals, which is more than tolerable in my experience. This is like combining the build quality of Moondrop Chew 2 with the sound of the Q5 Pro. And I like it. Good job, Kefine. Either way, that was the Kefine Klean. I'll leave links with the best prices in the description. And that EPZ Q1 Pro giveaway might still be going on. Check that out as well.